குறிச்சிலேடி. Dear students, today we will see what is the growth rate. The growth rate in our syllabus is related to the population growth. How the population of a country or a place or a district or a division or a block increasing at what rate. This is known as growth rate. So we should know the population is growing at which rate. So to intensify our family planning, family welfare activities. So the growth rate is related to family planning aspect. So the family planning is aimed. The family planning program, family welfare program started in the world first in India only. So the aim, the goal of the family planning program is to achieve a low birth rate and low death rate. Birth rate should be low and death rate should be also low. That means both will be decreasing. பிறப்பு விகிதமும் இறப்பு விகிதமும் இறங்கிக் கொண்டே போகும். இறங்கிக் கொண்டே போகும் பொழுது நம்மளுடைய growth rate, பாப்புலேஷன் ஜனத்தொகை வளர்ச்சி விகிதம் குறைந்து கொண்டே போக வேண்டும். உலகத்தில் in world today's growth rate in many of the countries in the population is 1.5%. 1.5%. So we will see how to calculate the growth rate of a PSE area or a subcenter area or a block area or a state or for a country. So the growth rate is a simple mathematical calculation which you should know two variables in a particular period of time. Suppose you take it to 2017. At 2017, at the starting point, in the first month, what is the population size? Then at the end of the 2017, in December, we must know what is the population size of the 2017 in a defined particular geographical area. So from the end result, from the end point, you minus the starting point, you will get the difference in population. The difference in population is divided by the starting point multiplied by into 100, which will give us the percentage of growth rate. So we must know two variables. One is the starting population, second is at the ending population. We should subtract from the ending population starting population. The difference is divided by the starting population multiplied by 100. So this simple mathematics is required to calculate what is the percentage of growth rate of a country, growth rate of a state, growth rate of a district, growth rate of a block, growth rate of a PSC, growth rate of a subcenter. So to do this, we must know two variables. One is the starting population and the ending population. So the growth rate will indicate how the family planning program is going on. If there is an increase in growth rate every year after every year, that means family planning program has not taken very seriously by the department, by the governments. So growth rate, declining in growth rate will indicate the family planning program has been accepted by the community and adopted by the community. So the growth rate will indicate how the family planning program goes on in a particular area. So for example, I can say an example, you start a business, you invest 1,000 rupees in the month of April. Next year in the month of April, if you see there is an increase of 1,500, that means your profit is 500 rupees profit. So there is a growth rate is there. There is a growth rate is there. You invest 1,000 rupees. At the end of 1 year, if you calculate, you got only 800 rupees, mean there is a loss. The same principle is applied in gross domestic product, GDP. The GDP of a country. Now the GDP of India is in a very low situation, minus 23.1. Once it was plus 10.2. Due to corona and due to other government policies, the GDP is going down. Similarly, we can calculate the growth rate. So growth rate will indicate in economics or in a business or in a management science where the project is going on a profitable way or in a loss way. A simple example is given in the PowerPoint slide. The past population is 205. The present population is 310. The difference is divided by 205, which gives the growth rate 0.51 in the PowerPoint slide. The 0.51 is multiplied by 100 and the growth rate will come into 51%. So the growth rate of any particular country with regards to population is 1.5. So we apply this simple mathematical calculation to find out whether in a PSE area or in a block area, whether the population is under control or not. What is the percentage of growth rate? So to identify, to calculate, to ascertain whether the family planning program is progressing or not, we should know, we should calculate what is the growth rate of the area. Thank you.